day one where we were baking cookies and like two types. So this is the one that includes brown sugar, white sugar. And see, this is where I was mixing it with a turner. We didn't bother to use a mixer because a turner was going to be easier. Here we were piping it. The second cookie, I was trying to be really careful, but the cookie didn't want to pipe. Last time we had made icing, the thing kept punching holes into the icing bags. And this is where we were doing teamwork with the cookie cutting. Fatima cut a cookie, I cut my mom cut a cookie, then I put the cookies on a tray. And they were ready to bake. And once I put them in the oven, we put them at the same time. And look, we added sprinkles to this one. They look shiny because the butter wasn't mixed properly. Here's when my sister was washing the plate. And this is where we're eating the cookies. They were so delicious. This is where we went to Tesco's to buy a few ingredients that we ran out of or didn't have enough of. We were so excited, but also we were a little bit late for class by the time we got home, but it was worth it. And this is when I was scared of the bridge troll, but I went across and I said, "Not today, bridge troll." See? And this is where we crossed the road. We were almost at Tesco's. And look, my sister was coming to me. She was literally running because she was scared of something. We were halfway there to Tesco's. We walk here quite a lot. My brother's always in the stroller. Sometimes he can walk, but he doesn't walk really fast, and so he has to go in the stroller. Oh, look, this is day 2 now. Still day 2, and this is where we're making cupcakes. Yeah, we were making cupcakes. Even though we already know how to, it was still fun to learn. This is when I was doing the batter, and the butter won't come off. See, I was licking it. See, we have a scales now, so we can use it to measure. And see, my sister's mixing while I get stuff done. Like, get stuff done. Like, really. So I came back immediately because I didn't want to miss what was going on. Don't miss the fun. That's what I call it. This is when I was mixing the icing batter to decorate. We were gonna decorate now. This is day 3 this is day 3 when we decorated. Here we are. Cupcake. We made chocolate and vanilla, and we found different ways of piping. And we already ate the cake and the cookies because they taste so nice. Like, I couldn't bear it. And look, this is my mom. She was helping us. She was piping. She had her own piping bag. She was piping too. She was piping a chocolate. See, this is my sister when she had to pipe on her own. Oh my. I didn't even remember me doing that. I keep licking. That's us in the class. I keep just licking and licking. Oh, look at my sister. She's trying to be gentle. And this is how our cake looks. Like, we added sprinkles to ours. This is when we were just listening. Oh, and this is also day 3 when we were making our box. and we were using tissue to dry the glue. Our mom helped us with all of the measurements because we had no idea what it meant. So this is when I tried to do it myself, but I didn't get it. So, this is when I was doing the lines that my mom helped me. So I was joining them up. And this is my favorite part because this is when I finally got to cut something off. So I've actually made a smaller box before, but since it was smaller, I didn't get to see like what it could fit in. And I gave it away like a gift box. See, this is how big my box is gonna be. I'm so good at the folding bits because I've already done it before. It was nice having to be in the class. And yeah, this is when I knew what to do. My mom said I should wait for the teacher, but I was like, Mom, I know what to do now. And she was like, fine, I got the point, okay? And so I just folded. See here, my sister was cutting. She was smiling, and I've already cut it. This is the part where my mom said, just wait. And then I just waited and waited. I was just playing with the ruler. And then I just glued my edges together. And so is my sister. She's being so careful. This is what I was doing. See how the box is coming along? We also got to draw pictures on our boxes. My sister needed a little help because she went a little wonky. And so, yeah. Also, when we were doing it, we still had to do the box lid and decorate. That's what I meant by like adding designs, coloring it, and see how my box came out. Look, my sister's still gluing hers together. I think she put a little bit too much glue, so yeah, and look, she's putting it on her head. And this is when we were making the box lid. My mom had already done the measurements, so she had cut hers out. She cut her box into little squares. I was like, what are we gonna use these for? And then look how she's doing her lid. She looks so focused. Look, Mom was just worried about her. She kept trying to. She was putting her thing next to her hands. And did you see my face? Yeah. What? I just made a mistake there, and I cut the exact wrong thing. But my lid still came along. Actually, it still worked. I was so sad, like so. And then I just made it. I made it even better. Even though mine was different, I still liked it the same. Look, this is my sister. Me and my sister picked the same color because we both like pink and there was no purple, which is my favorite color. This is all our craft supplies. We had a ruler, we had glue, we had scissors, and my mug there is just for me. Because I was so thirsty during the class. Because I was eating cakes where my mom was helping us with the measurements. I was eating cake, and so that's why I needed a lot of water. Because my taste buds are always dry. And see, this is how our lid fits on. Now we were decorating. I was trying to do a love heart, and my sister was copying me. Yeah, but I didn't mind though. I wrote a few words, but she copied me still. I found out in that evening that she had already copied me. Her mom had to help her with the love heart because she thought it looked not well. And then I found out in the evening that, oh my gosh, you've copied me on cute too. Then I finally wrote believe on my box. She might even hear now. And then this is when I put the thing. My love heart isn't finished yet. It's just nearly finished. My box wasn't finished, but I fitted it my stuff in. And this is when we were opening it. In 3, 2, 1, we went open. Yeah, this is my favorite bit.